What's up friends? This is JIESCA tutorial on JIESCA show. Do you want to learn how to change your resolution and refresh rate in your Windows operating system?
Yes!
Well, in this simple tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do that one in Windows 10, the easiest way possible.
Wow!
Once again, please don't skip any part of the video so that you won't miss anything in the process. Hi. Before we go to our tutorial, let us discuss first screen resolution and refresh rate. What is a screen resolution? Screen resolution refers to the clarity of the text and images displayed on your screen. At higher resolutions, such as 1600 by 1200 pixels, items appear sharper.
Wow!
They also appear smaller, so more items can fit on the screen.
Okay.
What is a refresh rate? A refresh rate is the number of times your monitor updates with new images each second. For example, a 60 Hz refresh rate means the display updates 60 times per second. A higher refresh rate results in a smoother picture.
Wow!
The refresh rate is the number of times in a second that the display hardware updates its buffer. This is distinct from the measure of frame rate, which means updating with new data.
Okay.
Here, you right-click anywhere on your desktop, and then you select Display Settings. Once the display setting window is open, you go here below, here in the display resolution section, and then you can change here your monitor resolution or your display resolution. Now, if you have multiple monitors, you click each monitor and then you select a resolution that you want.
Okay.
Now, to change your refresh rate, you go here below and click Advanced Display Settings. Once this is open, you click here Display Adapter Properties. And on this window, you select Monitor tab. And then here, you can change the refresh rate of your monitor. Now in this monitor, I only have 60 Hz because this is a laptop. And the refresh rate for a display on a laptop is already fixed. Now if you have a video card and a different type of monitor, like a gaming monitor, then you will have multiple refresh rate here to choose from.
Wow!
And that's it. Hope you have learned something in this simple tutorial. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment down below. Now, if this video has helped you in a way, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Once again, this is JIESCA tutorial on JIESCA show. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!